Imagine understanding every word in a real English conversation, responding naturally without hesitation, and speaking with confidence that turns heads. Yeah, that's exactly what we're diving into today. And trust me, by the end of this practice session, you'll feel your English brain switching gears. Hey everyone, Vey here from English Mastery Podcast. And today, we're doing something super practical. We're breaking down real conversations, learning phrases that native speakers actually use. And, here's the best part. You'll practice speaking out loud with me. No boring textbook stuff, just real English that works. All right, so here's how this works. We've got 4 powerful sections lined up. First, you'll hear an authentic dialogue between native speakers. Just listen and absorb the natural flow. Second, we'll explore key vocabulary that'll make you sound more native. Third, this is where it gets fun. We'll do interactive question practice where you answer out loud. And finally, the shadowing technique, where you'll repeat after the speakers to nail that pronunciation and rhythm. Ready? Let's jump right in. Section 1. Listen to real English. Pay close attention to how the speakers interact naturally. Don't stress about every word. Just catch the overall meaning. Hey Jordan, did your team make it to the tournament finals last month? Nah, unfortunately, our plans didn't work out. The event got postponed because of terrible weather conditions. Oh man, that's really disappointing. Were you guys fully prepared? Yeah, we'd been training for weeks. Now we're just waiting to hear the new schedule. Well, at least you get extra practice time, right? True, but honestly, we were so pumped to compete. Hopefully this next attempt actually happens. I'm rooting for you. Keep me posted on the updated date. Will do, Jordan. Thanks for the support. Section 2. Vocabulary Breakdown. Let's unpack some useful expressions from that conversation. Didn't work out means when something you planned fails to happen as expected. Example, our beach trip didn't work out because everyone got sick. Postponed means moved to a later date or time. Example, the concert was postponed until next Friday. Rooting for you is a friendly phrase meaning you're hoping someone succeeds and supporting them. Example, I'm rooting for you in your exam tomorrow. Now, here's a little reminder. Repetition is your best friend in language learning. Watch this multiple times, answer out loud, and you'll notice huge improvements in just days. Section 3. Interactive Practice. Time to engage. I'll ask questions about the conversation. Answer them out loud before I give you the response. This builds your speaking confidence fast. Did Jordan's team compete in the tournament last month? Yeah, exactly. No, they didn't. The event was postponed. What caused the postponement? Heavy weather conditions caused it. Was Jordan's team prepared? Absolutely. They'd been training for weeks. How did Jordan feel about the situation? He felt disappointed because they were excited to compete. Does Jordan hope the next event happens? Yes, he said hopefully this next attempt actually happens. Section 4. Shadowing Practice. Now repeat after each speaker. Match their rhythm, tone, and emotion. This is where your pronunciation really levels up. Hey Jordan, did your team make it to the tournament finals last month? Oh man, that's really you just completed a full English speaking workout. Here's my challenge for you. Practice with this video daily for 1 week. Watch how naturally you start using these phrases in real conversations. Your brain needs repetition to build those English pathways, and you're doing exactly that. Keep pushing forward. Keep practicing out loud, And remember, every time you speak English, you're getting closer to fluency. I believe in you. See you in the next practice session.